Hi, I'm Benna Hughes, and I am excited to tell you about a new track at our upcoming Global TapRooT Summit. I want to give you something to think about. Are your investigations and root cause analysis of non-compliance and manufacturing issues getting to the true root causes? Because if not, you may end up with failed corrective and preventive actions at your company. We want to help you have a superior CAPA system, including a process to get to the real root causes. We've added the CAPA and Continuous Improvement Track this year at the Summit to help you achieve success with your program. To go over just a few of the sessions that you'll learn topics such as setting goals and develop performance measurements. You'll also learn skills to increase the quality of your investigations. Another key session in this track is going to be Kevin McManus, who is going to be teaching on using advanced root cause analysis to improve your CAPA program. In this presentation, real-life work examples will be used to help explore the differences between effective corrective and preventive actions. Kevin will also help you with your RCA process to help people effectively meet the goals of their quality management systems. In another session, Heidi Reed and myself are going to facilitate a best practice session. This is one of our favorite things to do because people get to share their knowledge and you get to learn from people in other industries about their CAPA programs. We're going to have Derek Van Hoy of North State Aviation start us off with an incident that he's done in quality. So that's going to be really exciting and he'll have some really good takeaways from that. And then we'll all meet together, discuss different CAPA best practices, and all leave with a lot of new great ideas. So there's a lot of amazing sessions in this track that we have, really something for everyone. So go to our website, taproot.com/summit, and look at all the sessions that are in the track. And now, we want you to go register because registration is going on right now. So go sign up today, and we look forward to seeing you at the next summit. Thank you.